Hi, my name is Mark Sylvester. I'm the CEO of introNetworks, and we help create the Nonprofit Resource Network, NPRN. If you're a new user, the way you're going to sign up is you're going to click New User, and you're going to select a PIN type, whether you're a board member, staff, volunteer, or representative of the corporation or the government. And then put in your name, email, a login name that you'll use to log in afterwards, and a password, and hit the Enter button. Now I already have a login, so I've put in my name and I click the little Remember Me so I don't have to log in every time, and I'll hit Enter. Now what this system is designed to do is to provide a resource for Santa Barbara's nonprofits so we can all learn from one another, and it's designed for board members, for staffers, and for volunteers in the area. What you're looking at here is called the dashboard, but if you're the first time user, what we need to do is have you build a profile, and then you'll see why that's so important. The profile is very, very easy. There's just 4 steps. The first thing is to put in your contact information, and then the next thing is to build out your tags. So this is, what are you passionate about? What are you interested in? How could you help others, and how could others help you? So there's kind of a, think of it as a skills marketplace here. So if I can help people with ingenuity, I select that word and I bring it up here, and how far up in the list will indicate how strong of a match to make with other people. So if I need help, I'm going to be able to search for people who could maybe help me in these various areas. So look through these lists. This will take you 4 or 5 minutes, and then when you're done with that, click the next button. You can change that anytime you want by clicking Edit Profile up here in the upper right. Then you've got some talk to me about conversation starter words and some things to let the other people in the network know a little bit more about you. Remember, this is a private community. This is not generally available on the internet, only to people that are invited in. So feel free to be candid in your comments. Hit the next button. Here you can put in a picture, you can put in your links to maybe your blog or your Twitter account. I happen to like raw food a lot, so I put in pictures. You can also create a short video of yourself to introduce yourself. This is really it. It's pretty simple. When you're done with this, say Show My Connections. And this is really the most fun part of the network, and this is what we want you to see before you sign up so you get a sense of how it works. So I'm there at the center, and pins arranged around me based on the color are people that are close to me. So I see here's a green pin right next to me, that's Jordan, and here I can see there's Mickey and there's Jane. So if I click on Jane's pin, I can see all the words Jane picked, and the words in color are the things that we have in common. So this might be a great way for me to start a conversation. She says, I need help with building a brand, and so do I, but maybe I've come up with some really good ideas. I could send her a message. I click the Send Message button. This sends her a private email, so that would go right to her. I could also send a video mail if I wanted. I can add her as a contact, and that would show up over in my contact list. So that's really the easy part. Now, if I want to search for someone, I can come up and I knew the guy's name was Steve, and it's going to show me all the Steves. There's Steve, there's another Steve. I can get a list view, or either one of those got the Steves I was looking for or not. I can look on a map, get a map view, and see where they're located. Okay, so I'm here, they're here, so I know exactly where they are in Santa Barbara. That's the easy search. So I can reset that search now, and I'm going to do something just a little more interesting called the advanced search. By the way, you can notice over here on the left you will be seeing some getting started videos. If you click on those will be very, very helpful to you. So if I want to find someone who could help me in community relations, I click Search on Community Relations, and it's then going to show me all of those people, and again I can get a list of those people and easily contact them. There's lots more to discover here. There's groups, there's forum discussions, there's resources, lots for you to get engaged, communicate, and collaborate with those here in Santa Barbara. Hope you enjoy NPRN. Bye-bye.